In this video, we are going to install Python on our system. First, go to your browser, then type Python, then search for Python, then go to official website of Python, python.org, then go to download, then click on download for Windows, then this will be download a Python setup file. Click on that file, then Python setup will be open. Then check these two checkbox, use privileges and add path. This is very important. If you don't do it, that will be not we cannot use in Python. We have to manually add this path. Then click on install now. This might take some time. After completing this process, our Python will be installed. This should take 2 to 3 minutes. Our Python is successfully installed. We will check the Python is working or not. For checking, we will close all tab. Then we will go to CMD. Type CMD at the start bar. Then type Python version. So Python -- version. Then press enter. This should be give us a Python version that is installed on our system. We will try to print something. So simply type py, then enter. Then I will be simply print my name. Then type print Mayur. It's working, it's printing. Our Python is successfully installed.